Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin with practical prerequisites. Ensure battery is above 20% and temporarily simplify any secure lock so jumps between screens are quick. Now open settings and go straight to About Phone. On many Techno Spark models, build number lives under software info. You tap build number repeatedly to enable developer mode. Do this deliberately and watch for the countdown-like feedback. Once prompted, confirm your device PIN or pattern so Android registers you as a developer and moves to the next step. Once done, return to Settings and look under System or Additional Settings for developer options. It appears only after you activated it. You should toggle developer options on and then inspect key switches like USB debugging and OEM unlock. You need USB debugging for ADB connections and OEM unlock only for bootloader actions. Make sure to read each toggle description so you understand the security trade-offs. If you plan to use ADB, plug your phone into a trusted computer and accept the host RSA. You finish by verifying the options work. Connect via USB and run ADB devices, or accept the debug authorization prompt on the phone so the host shows up. After confirming, make sure to re-enable your secure screen lock to maintain device safety and revoke USB debugging authorizations if you later connect unfamiliar machines. If developer options don't appear, reboot and try tapping build number again. You can also clear settings app cache. These steps resolve most stubborn cases and get you ready for development.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.